Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has identified Palantir as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.31. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Regrettably, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a loss of 0.26% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.13% since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating further increases within this trend. The prevailing trend over the past 3 months points to a potential change of approximately 16.63% in the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 3.43% to 60.29%. In terms of a longer outlook, our analysis over the past 12 months suggests a projected change of 182.73%. According to our estimations, the stock's performance could vary between 117.6% and 290.45% over the coming year. This indicates a future price range between $209.99 and $376.79. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Palantir. On the most recent trading day, which was Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, Palantir's stock price experienced a decline of approximately 258/10,000%, dropping from $96.75 to $96.50. During that day, the stock price fluctuated by 3.25%, ranging from a low of $95.08 to a high of $98.17. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 23.64% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with price movements. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 34 million shares, resulting in a total of 78 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7,480,000,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $125.41, while the lowest was $20.33. Currently, the stock price stands at 23.05% or $28.91 below the 52-week high of $125.41, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies has recently partnered with EverFox to enhance command and control capabilities for clients operating in classified environments. This partnership signals a strategic move that could bolster Palantir's standing in the defense and security sectors, potentially increasing demand for its software solutions. Furthermore, market analyst Larry Tentarelli points to impending tariff decisions from the Trump administration as a catalyst for market movements, suggesting that such certainties could position Palantir and competitors like Berkshire Hathaway and RTX for a potential rebound. This positive sentiment may influence short-term stock price increases. Despite bullish indicators, some Wall Street analysts express caution regarding Palantir's long-term sustainability. They argue that while the company's stock has performed remarkably, projected growth may already be overvalued. Nonetheless, the reporting of Palantir's record revenue growth, 36% year-over-year, with a 64% increase in U.S. commercial revenue, highlights its robust performance amid the artificial intelligence boom, which could suggest a more optimistic outlook. The interplay of these factors will be crucial in determining both immediate and longer-term stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned PLTR a market perform rating with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, Bank of America Securities assigned PLTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, Jefferies assigned PLTR an underperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Palantir stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive forecast. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $89.85 and $95.69. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 22.56%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal approximately 26 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity just 2 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 203 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 191 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $90.68 and $78.98. There is inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline towards the next support. In this case, Palantir has support just below today's level at $90.68. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $78.98 and $76.38. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with decent trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.09 between its high and low, or 3.25%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated daily average volatility of 5.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 13 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $103.83. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $90.68. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Cohen Stephen Andrew, who bought and sold 1,270,604 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.444. In total, insiders acquired 4,546,820 shares and disposed of 10,527,229 shares in the last 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is established at $90.81, reflecting a decline of 5.9%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Notably, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 25 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Palantir stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our assessments indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of March, we expect Palantir to open higher by approximately 8.3 cents, starting at $96.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.